Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify AML compliance checks on ComplyAdvantage, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify AML compliance checks on ComplyAdvantage, start by logging into your ComplyAdvantage account. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to access AML features. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the section dedicated to compliance checks. Select the option for AML compliance. You will see a list of customers or entities that require verification. Choose the customer you want to assess. Click on their profile to open detailed information. Review the risk assessment provided by ComplyAdvantage. Take note of any flags or alerts shown in their profile. Check the history of previous compliance checks for this customer. Ensure to read any specific notes or comments left by compliance officers. Access the screening results for any transactions associated with this customer. Look for information related to sanctions, watch lists, or politically exposed persons. If necessary, export the results for your records or further analysis. After reviewing all the information, determine if the compliance checks meet your organization's standards. If there are any discrepancies or concerns, escalate these to your compliance team. Document your findings and ensure they are logged in your compliance system. Once the verification process is complete, communicate the outcomes to the relevant parties. Regularly update your knowledge of ComplyAdvantage features for ongoing compliance checks. Monitor for changes in the compliance landscape and adjust your checks accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.